Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. We have got something a little bit different today because I'm going to give you two vowel digraphs. So these are sounds that are the same. They're both made of two letters, but they make the same sound. You might also know another pair of letters that make this sound as well. So I want you to try and sound this one out at home. Okay, that makes oo. Okay, that makes the oo sound. Now we know as well that oo also makes oo. And just to make things even harder, because the English language isn't easy, this also makes oo. So today we are going to be spelling some words which have either this or this at the end of them. We're going to practice using that oo sound. Now the double O oo very rarely, in fact hardly ever, comes at the end of words, but these ones do come at the ends of words. So the words that we write today are going to have either this or this at the end of them, and they both say oo. Okay, so I'm going to give you one of each because I have got this word, so you can sound that one out. N, oo, new. Okay, and this is really going to help your reading because you might be trying to, you might come across the EW, you might be going like, it's not, it's oo. And then this one, which says blue, blue. So while you're at home now, I want you to have a think of some words that end in oo. And at the moment, just try both spellings. So try spelling them with the UE and try spelling them with the EW. See which looks the best, looks like maybe you've seen it before. And then we'll have a go and share some words afterwards, okay? Some of them there are rules for, some of them you're just going to have to learn which one it is, unfortunately, but that's why we're going to practice them today. So pause your video now and try and think of some words that have oo at the end of them. So you can use your rhyming for this, like blue, new, they sound the same, even they've got different letters, they've still got the oo sound at the end. So pause the video now and try and write your words out. Okay, I'm going to share with you all my UE words to start with that I have thought of. So I said blue. We've also got this one, which is clue, clue. Give you a clue. We've got this one, glue, glue. Now you might notice that all of these words all have a letter L as their second letter. And that is something that might be a bit helpful for you if you're deciding which ending to have. Because if it does have an L, it does tend to have the UE as opposed to the EW. The only time it has the EW is in blue, like blue with the blew the wind, and that's because that comes from blow. So if it has an L, a good thing to think about is it's probably a UE afterwards, okay? And then I've got this one, which is true, okay? And that's got the U because it relates to the word truth. Okay, so there's reasons why they are spelt this way. You might not necessarily remember it or understand it yet. You might just think, oh, I've just got to kind of have a best guess. But when you get older, you start looking at where words come from. There are reasons about why they are spelt in certain ways. Okay, the other words that I've got are my EW words. So we had new earlier. We have got this one. Chew, chew. And then I've also thought of this one, grew, grew. Like my sunflower grew really tall. And the reason that is an EW is it's a past tense of the word grow. We don't say growed, we say grew. Okay, so there is a reason why this one is the EW as well. I know that was quite tricky and you might not necessarily be getting the right ones yet, but when you're reading, it's really good to try and look out for different letters, different graphemes that make the same sound and try and remember which ones come in which places. Okay, so new, you see that quite a lot in your reading. You can remember that that's got the EW because if you wrote it with a UE, it just wouldn't look right. And that's a really good way to kind of for you to check yourself as you're doing your writing. Think, oh, when you read it back, does that look like the right sound? Okay, but I know that this is a little bit tricky. That's why I wanted to do it today. It's phase 5 phonics. Okay, and then I have written a sentence, and I've tried to use some oo words in this sentence. I haven't got a mixture. I've got UE words in this one. So I have got I have got a mixture. I've got new. I found some new blue glue. So I've used the word new and blue and glue there. And you can see they all make the oo sound, but this one is the EW, this one is the UE. So I would suggest that you use your the words that you've just written, and even use my words to check that you're spelling them correctly, and you can write your sentences at home. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Good luck with that. Bye.